What holds people back from realizing the promise of AI agents right now?
Yeah, I think that's a great point. We've seen that not just with our customers, but also within Informatica, right? Everyone has great ideas, but they don't know where to start, right? So there is a starting problem. So I would say and that's one of the reasons we built what we call as AI Agent Hub, which packages a lot of these custom enterprise agents and custom Informatica agents. So that's a good place to start, where you can actually start from something which is already pre-built. So you can take that, which is time tested, which is well certified. Think of it like an app store where you have a lot of agentic apps, but then you can customize it, right? So you can start small and then customize it to your liking, to your use cases, to your system. So that's it. That we've seen, like that actually helps a lot of our customers to get started and then deploy it into the production system. The other part is, I think, the enterprise context, right? Because a lot of AI agents, if you build, they will hallucinate because they're trained on internet data, but not on your enterprise data. It doesn't have your enterprise context. So again, connecting to your enterprise systems, whether it's a data integration mapping, DQ rule, catalog, MDM, customer information, and also business process workflows, that's what actually makes your AI agents more accurate, trustworthy within your enterprise. So these are a few things you should consider while you're building AI agents.
So can you give me an example of how the IDMC Cloud Skills Hub makes agents more accurate?
Yeah, absolutely. And let me try to explain that with an example, right? I will use the order to cash process that I explained, right, which I showed in the demo. So let's say you didn't have IDMC Skill Hub, or without the Skill Hub, as you're building an AI agent, you would need to configure and figure out how to do order management, how to do credit checks, inventory validation, invoicing, payment collection, right? So the whole order to cash process will have to be figured out by the AI agent every time it gets an order. But these are already encoded as deterministic business process within your Informatica IDMC workflow. And this has been coded for many years, right? It's not something new. Order to cash has been there for many years. So with Skill Hub, your agents don't have to guess or need to reason on how to process an order, right? It leverages these proven workflows within the enterprise. So when a customer places an order, the agents will use an existing business process built using cloud application integration or a DI mapping. It can validate those orders. It can apply your data quality rules for data quality checks and call your integration workflow for payment processing. And so thereby you kind of make your AI agents more accurate and run deterministically as well.
Well, and so without this sort of platform and integration and really kind of complete data management system, the challenge really is how do you get the data to work together through some sort of collection of point solutions, right? I mean that's the platform advantage. Is that how I understand it?
That is right. Like you need to have what we call as connectors to all those enterprise systems to feed the right context back to the agent. So the agent's reasons based on that the data set that you provide, the context. I think the word nowadays we use is context engineering. So the context is what make your AI agents more accurate.
And so walk through kind of what you see as the future. I mean, obviously, we're all excited about the promise of AI agents, but just walk through a little bit about, kind of broader term advantages. I mean, why do we build them? Why are we going to build them? Why do companies need them? What is the What does the future look like?
Yeah, great question, Doug. So one of the things we are seeing is, so we see a lot of excitement. Everyone is dabbling with AI agents. But one of the things we see is, they see the immediate value, right? That's the main thing, right? And that comes in different forms. So a lot of enterprises are building internal chatbots, internal productivity apps, which makes the life simple, right? So to give you an example, I talked about employee onboarding workflow. Now, in a typical enterprise, employee onboarding workflow is kind of it's automated for all the employees, right? It's a one single employee onboarding workflow. It's not personalized for every user. Like an engineer will have different requirement than from a sales rep, than from a legal rep, right? So what if can personalize that experience for them? And that is possible with something like AI agents. Other things that we have seen is legal chatbots, where you can have a legal chatbot act as a paralegal, which is trained on your context, on your different contracts you have, on different terms and conditions you have in legal contracts that you have in the system. Same thing we have seen with HR chatbots as well, right? So all that is possible with an AI agent builder orchestration service. And taking it further is for, I was talking about the use case number 3, where you're building custom Informatica engineers. So you're actually building those custom agents for your IT developers, for your data engineers, for your data stewards and data scientists. So thereby, you're even automating those workflows. So that actually allows all those IT developers and data engineers to go and build more agents for the enterprise. So that's what we are seeing, and and we are, I would say, in the early innings of it, but we see a lot more adoption.
If your business would like to be featured in a future event, contact us today.